Theater Consultants Collaborative is a firm that works with architects and engineers to design performing arts facilities. It's our job to really make a connection between the people and the spaces that we help to design. iPad helps us do that. As theater consultants, we're brought in on a design team to help implement the design of performing arts spaces, whether it's lighting systems, dimming systems, automated rigging and control, sound and video components.
iPad is this device that is almost magic in the fact that it's so thin and so light and gives me everything I need. The physical size of the screen is a sweet spot between being very, very portable and very light, and yet big enough to allow you to see what you need. One of the things iPad has done for us is allowed us to carry less equipment with us and less paper with us. A typical drawing set, it's usually 36 by 48-inch drawings, and there may be 200 of them. So having it electronic makes it much easier to do my job.
The App Store on iPad is great. To a small business, it literally allows us to tap a button and search for applications that may be extremely specific to our niche industry. AutoCAD WS for iPad allows us to take drawings just like we would on a desktop and actually make changes, markups, and do some work directly on the iPad to send back. It's very easy to open AutoCAD WS, plug the iPad into a projector in a conference room, and actually view drawings with the design team and make changes on the fly.
Audio Tools on iPad allows us to do what's called a real-time analysis. Look at frequency and sound across frequencies. It can show us if there's a rumble from the mechanical system and where it is. With iPad and Audio Tools, we actually have been using only the native microphone on iPad, which gets us an appropriate level of information without having to juggle lots of parts.
Adobe Ideas allows you to take a photograph or an image so that you can then mark up on top of that with various layers. That literally gives us the ability, as we're passing a drawing around, to turn on and off layers, and I'm able to overlap ideas to see where we come together. One of the most rewarding things about being a theater consultant is opening night of the first production. You've put a lot of time and a lot of effort into these projects. The house lights dim and the curtain rises for the first time and the room gets quiet. To me, that's such a defining moment to connect the architecture and the art with the audience. That's pretty special. iPad helps us do that.